Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up everyone? Happy Friday. I hope you guys are excited for this video because I'm not, because I actually lost money this time, but it's okay. The markets are just down right now, especially with the stock market and the crypto market. Just everything's kind of everything's kind of down right now, but nonetheless, I'm here to show you my crypto weekly portfolio update. So let's not waste any more time and let's dive right into my Coinbase account. Alright, what's up everyone? Here's my Coinbase account. Nothing's really changed on my Coinbase account like I mentioned in my last video, and if you haven't seen it here, I'll put it here somewhere. All this money that's in my Coinbase account hasn't been added. This is money that's been added like a couple years back. So I'm not currently adding anything to this as of right now because I do like Coinbase, but the thing is that they have such high fees and Robinhood doesn't do that. So that's why I'm trying to put more money into my Robinhood account. So the money that I'm going to have here, this is literally just the hold. I'm not going to touch this at all. And from last week, I have the chart here. We're down about $1,900. We're down about like $900, which isn't too bad. One thing that I'm going to repeat over and over and over again, and something that I've lived true by, we can literally see it from my all graph, is that this is to hold. This is not to day trade or intratrade. I don't really do that. I don't mess around with that stuff with cryptocurrency. I think it's a good idea if you want to get into it. I'm going off like on a little tangent, but I don't do that with cryptocurrency, and especially on Coinbase because of such high fees. I don't really think it's worth it to do that on Coinbase. Maybe on other platforms that have extended cryptocurrencies and have a lot more variety to give you those gains trading. But on Coinbase, I don't think that's what you should do. So for my strategy and more for my portfolio as far as crypto goes, I'm just gonna keep all the money that I have in my Coinbase and just literally just sit and let that grow. So we really won't see like drastic changes here unless you can see here, literally my portfolio is 99% Bitcoin, and then I have some other small coins here. But unless Bitcoin has some drastic growth, which it has, literally you can just tell literally from like the last couple months, it's tripled. But unless Bitcoin does see some drastic movements, we won't really see that reflected, or we really won't see the portfolio balance shoot up or rocket or go to the moon, whatever term you want to choose. We really won't see that here. So this is just to show you guys my long-term hold growth, and I mean my alt chart does a pretty good job of doing that. Hindsight is 2020, so everyone would have been like, oh yeah, buy Bitcoin 10 years ago. But just like one of my favorite sayings goes, the best time to plant a tree was 50 years ago. The second best day is now. So the same thing can be applied with cryptocurrency. So yeah. So here's my Coinbase account. I'll go back to my week. So like I said, we're down, just to sum up my Coinbase, we're down about 900, but that's just reflected from Bitcoin. I'll put like a little thing here about the news articles and just what people are saying about Bitcoin, and that's why it's responded negatively in terms of price wise. But like I said, it's not always just gonna go up. We expect Bitcoin to go up over the long term, which it already has. So just stay true to that. If you're a crypto holder or whatever, you know, just chill out. I'm gonna say this at the end of the video again, but it's fine. So this is my Coinbase, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just go ahead and click up here. I have it tabbed out. So something that you would have seen in my last video that has Bitcoin, or something that you would see in my last crypto portfolio video, is that I would have a lot more Bitcoin, but I did sell about like 1,000 of it for a profit. And currently, like I said, Bitcoin's price is down. We can go see here at the week chart that, I mean, it was 40K literally a week ago, so it's down like about 5K. And my average cost is 39. I did buy a little high, but that's fine. Long term, that's a long-term mentality that we're thinking here. So I do have about like $1,000 left, as you can see here. I'm down total return. I'm down about $90, which is fine. So here's my Bitcoin in my Robinhood wallet, or not my wallet, but my Robinhood portfolio. And then I also have Ethereum. Something that's different from this week compared to last week is that I'm holding a lot more Ethereum, a lot more ETH, and you can see that reflected here in my equity, which is about $4,800. It did cost me about $5,000. Like you can see here, my total return is down $172, which is fine. I did buy it a little high, but my average cost is $1,200. So I'm not too far off from breaking even, but that's because I did buy some at around $700 or so, which is really cheap, and then I bought some at a kind of a high of $12.50 if I remember correctly. Let me scroll down here to see if I can look here. So yeah, if you look down here, I did buy it at $12.55, which is a little on the higher end. We can go to the week chart, and I think it was near there. I bought it at a little of a dip from the week high, but not too far off, about $100 off. But that's fine. Like I said, crypto's to hold. My crypto is strictly to hold. I'm just gonna hold for a big upswing, a big uptrend, and hopefully I can take some profit off then and then buy again at the dip. But it's literally just to hold. That's all it is. Quick self-channel plug before we go into my Robinhood account. Just a quick channel plug before we get into my Robinhood account. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my small channel. It really helps out a lot. And also comment down below. Alright, now let's move on. So to sum up, that's basically it. I'm holding heavily BTC, which we'll just go back here. I'm heavily in BTC, Bitcoin for let's just say $6,600. And then I'm also heavily into ETH for $5,000. It should be $5,000, but it's 4.8 right now. So all in all, I currently have $10,000 in cryptocurrencies, which is not too bad for my small account. This is expected to grow over time, so stay tuned for that. So all in all, essentially this is my account. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm being super transparent here. You know, we're gonna do this every week, so hopefully we can see this go up to maybe, I don't know what's a good. Hopefully we can see this account grow to maybe 20K at the end of the year. We're starting off with 10K now, and hopefully we can see it double within the year. It's strongly dependent on the price and also how high I get in or how low I get in, and how far it dips and how far it goes up. But we'll see. I'm really bullish on crypto this year, especially because we're gonna see some strong movement at the end of the year from big companies that are potentially buying into crypto. So, you know, we're gonna see. I'm very bullish, and I'm very excited to see what this portfolio and how just my portfolios in general, my stock market portfolio and my crypto portfolio, are gonna perform. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, we've reached the end of the video, guys. Thank you for everyone that's made it through. Like I said, this is gonna be a very weekly thing. This is my second post ever on my channel. This is my second week updating it. So we're here to see the gains that are going to happen in the future. Like I mentioned in the video, this is something that's going to grow steadily over time. There's going to be ups and downs, and this week just turns out to be one of those down weeks. So no need to panic. People who do panic are the ones who, you know, just chill out. For those of you who are holding crypto, you know, hold. You know that meme, HODL. That's all you literally got to do. Just hold. This is for the future. Thank you, guys. I can't wait till next week. Hopefully we can see some green in the market. So until then, make sure you buy the dip, load up while it's a little bit cheaper, while it's hot, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Hold up. WeBull will be giving you 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit your first $100, with one of these stocks being valued up to $1,400. Make sure to use the link in the description to get this offer.